Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Black color, purple color, pink color, sky blue color, red color, dark green color, blue color, yellow color, light pink color, light green color, orange color and brown color. A for apple. B for bee. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for flower. G for guitar. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for vest. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. Read again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Like and subscribe for more videos.